Story time at AgWorks. I'm Casey, and we're reading Ollie Octopus. Splashing and smiling, swimming and diving, Ollie Octopus lives under the sea. Ollie wants to wave and say a big hello. Wiggle and wave Ollie's soft, jiggly legs and say, hello. Bouncing and giggling, jumping and jiggling, Ollie really loves to play. Ollie and his friends are bouncing and leaping at the jellyfish jump. Can you help Ollie bounce as high as he can on the wobbly jellyfish? Bounce, bounce, bounce. Giggling and wriggling, laughing and wiggling, Ollie is tickling his friends. Everyone whoops and giggles as Ollie tickles them. Tickle Ollie's friends with his jiggly wiggly legs. Tickle, 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 tickle. Dancing and grooving, bopping and moving, the friends boogie and sing at the deep sea disco. Ollie is the star musician in the Big Bubble Band. Watch him jiggle his legs and play to the funky beat. Splishing and splashing, splooshing and splashing, Ollie is making bubbles in the bath. Ollie has a long day of wiggling fun. It's time to get ready for bed. Splash and waggle Ollie's legs to make lots of bath time bubbles and say, good night.